Open class. Engine start. Pro open class. Okay, pro open riders, 10 laps. Here we go. 30 seconds board. Where na yun? Pap. Rana. The last and final run. The last and final run sa itong first People Administration Motocross Invitational Motocross. Okay, 10 laps. Engine start. Here we go.
Okay, once again, I'd like to thank everybody. Thank you everyone for kaninang umaga hanggang ngayon dito ko ngayon. Alright! Showtime!
Full shot by inside part of Magosong, outside Michelin Rivera. Okay, ang inside board ang Magosong partner. Okay, partner, rat-ratin mo na. Kaya ihiyon ako.
Okay, on the lead, that is the Hunter. That's Mitch Rivera. Oh, nag-double effort yun si The Lion. Born of Magosong. Okay, ayan, no? Oh, I love it. No? Ganda po show tayo ni... Okay, yun na. Pagpaka na ngayon, no? Okay, let's go! Oh! Palapit na! Ayan! Okay, leading the race. We have our... Tingnan natin, is Bornok? Okay, tama. Bornok also now taking the lead. Okay. Tingnan natin. Hop! Ito na, Bornok! Okay, it's Bornok also now taking the lead. And we have Mitch Rivera, second rider by Indeed, Martinez Racing. And then it's the bottom board. Okay, we have our top 12, keep it in. And we have Roy Bandigan on 6. Yeah. We have to get top 10 riders for the bottom. Okay, una lang ang Malayon. Right now. After this, nabili tayo ng score and mag-check tayo guys. Okay, so si Jesse Pereda ang nagsunod kay Noy Bandigan. Okay, so taas pa din. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari sa dalawa ito guys. Grabe power ni power slide ni getting the inside. Love it. Okay. Kadool. isang mabuting organizer. Maraming salamat po kay Mr. Jordan Bandigan ng Jordan Racing. More power to you, brother. Alright! Ay! Ayan na! Side by side! That is inside. Nakuha sila. Okay, pagkato na kayo. That is Clarence Lapat. And back to fourth position. Ayun, si Ray Kid. Ayan talaga, partner. Talaga karera. Ito ngayon, mga natin si Ryan at ng ating partner. Mamaya, pwede kayo mag-picture. You can have your picture sa mga riders, mga idols. Okay? So thank you and God bless everyone. And on behalf of the riders of the Philippines, on behalf of my team, Brunsa, I would like to bid a happy advance, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We love you, Mati City! Mama! Chum chum! Okay, ayan, sa whoops, sa roller. Huh? Yo! What a nice power slide by Vince Rivera. Hintayin natin, guys. Sabi ni Kwan, wag po akong iwan. Nasa likod na. Yo! Nice. Vince Rivera. Ito ngayon, no? Okay. Lagrada, okay. Okay. Ay, nako, bagsak si Karen. So, balik na yun kay, balik kayo kay Ray Ray Betit. Okay, so you have to make some moves, no? Lahat na rider commission, no? Lalo na ito ngayon, yung magpaka na dalawa, Ornok Pagosong and Vince Rivera. Okay, Ray Ray Betit. Martis Racing, ano nangyari? Hinay. Ano nangyari kay Ray Ray? Parang kahinapan na rin. Tired? Tired yun. Okay, bye. Okay, Kimboy, bilhin na lang taking the third. Okay, sige. Boy, Joy Bandigan. Okay, habulan ngayon ng Tagong Davao at Mati Davao. Ang formato ng Mati Davao. So, umawi ngayon si magsakasi si Terence Lapat. Okay, malayo na. Malayo na siguro. Okay, so thank you everyone. And after this, okay, fourth. Okay, so third, we have, keep it in, ha? Keep it in, Joy Bandigan, Jesse Pineda, and Dodo Bandigan. Okay. Open, right? Pwede yung sinakyan. Pairs at ito, ha? Thank you, no? Ingat po kayo. Okay. Ulit nyo. Ingat. We love you, Mati City. And this is the part of this
Sikit.
Oh! Nangyari. Ano nangyari? Okay. Malayo na. Malayo na si Bornok. Nag-break away na. No? Okay, nag-break. Breakaway rate by Bornok. Bob, pwede mo pa pamilin. Picture with your idol. God bless everyone. God bless. Okay, till next time. Salamat po kayo sa ating mga rescue, Combate City. Thank you po sa ating medical team. Thank you po sa ating mga police, sa ating fire protection, barangay panon, traffic enforcer, ating flagmans, race officials, and to the organizer, of course, kay Mr. Dorlan Mandigan, and to all the riders joining for this prestigious motocross racing. You're the best. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo, and you are all winners. Panalo dito sa motocross racing. Lahat po kayo panalo, but only we have to get 5 riders for the podium. Kuha lang po sila 5 and 10. No. Kuha po tayo ng 10. But sa lower categories, hanggang 5 lang po. Okay? So see you on the podium. At mabuhay po. No? Mabuhay po ang ating kaputiling Mayor ng Combate City. Mayor Mayo City. You're the best, Mayor. I love it. Thank you, Lord, for this good weather. Napagandang araw ng Wednesday. Oh, what a nice trip by BM. White flag for BM 111. Wow! Short time na. Dodong! Makita na yung mo, Dodong. Ang ato matinaguan niya, Dodong Pandigan. Ay, akala ko si Birds. Sino yun? Si Vince? Okay, it's Vince Rivera. Okay. Okay, Barnes. Okay, si Dudong. Showtime na Dudong, ha? Okay, tayo mo na tuloy ang Tomb Raider. During checker flag. Yes, yes, yo! Here we go! Checker flag! Congratulations, the one coming up for the checker. Mr. Vince Rivera. And keep it then. Okay, Doy Baligan of course.